In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and publish your Wix website, whether you're putting the finishing touches on your web design masterpiece, or simply making edits to improve your site's functionality. Knowing how to save and publish your changes is crucial. Let's walk through the process step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Wix website editor. If you're not already there, go to your preferred web browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select your site, which will take you directly to the editor interface. This is where all your creative visions come to life, offering you the freedom and flexibility to mold your website exactly how you envision it. Now, let's talk about the importance of saving your work. After all, you don't want to lose hours of hard work because you forgot to hit save. Lucky for you, saving your progress is a breeze in Wix. Look to the top right corner of the editor screen and you'll find a lovely little button labeled Save. It's as easy as clicking a button and it ensures that all your recent changes are safely stored. I recommend making this a habit each time you make significant edits or updates. Consider it your design insurance policy. Once your changes are saved, you're ready to publish them so that anyone visiting your site can see your latest updates. This brings us to the next step, publishing your website. Just next to the save button, you'll notice another button labeled publish. Give that a click. And with that simple action, your saved work is now live and viewable to the public. Publishing is like unveiling your creation to the world, ensuring all your hard work can be appreciated by your audience or clients. And that's it. With those few simple steps, you're now ready to save and publish your Wix website efficiently. Remember, the steps are straightforward. Navigate to your site in the Wix editor, save your changes frequently, and publish when you're satisfied with your updates. Keeping this routine will help you manage your web presence effectively and keep your audience engaged with fresh, updated content. By following these steps, you ensure that your website remains current and dynamic. This process not only allows you to maintain a stunning and functional site, but also ensures that your visitors have the best possible experience. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more videos on how to enhance your web creation skills. Thanks for watching and happy editing.